Hey there, this is your Avon lady, Chris Arnold, with your product picks and preview for campaign 3 of 2019. And this campaign, our cover feature is actually our sort of our wow deal for the campaign. It's not really labeled as a wow deal, but it's definitely a deal that will make you say wow. And that is a new clinical line eraser treatment for free with any 2 purchases of our new products on pages 2 through 11. But if you're shopping online, it's a new Ultimate Platinum Reversalist and Vital regimens. So if you get any 2 products, full-size products from those regimens, you get your line eraser treatment for free, and that's a $40 value. So this is a great opportunity to either try something new if you haven't tried the line eraser before and you're using our regular regimens, or if you're using the line eraser already, you can try a couple of products from our basic regimens and get your regular line eraser for free. So that is a great deal there. Next up, we have this great new fragrance collection that we have, our Avon Stories collection. And we have 4 scents in these, and each scent, of course, they are designed to tell a little story. So first up, we have the Skip a Beat. And this is filled with hope and joy and ready to seize the day and all that it holds. And our Skip a Beat fragrance has notes of lemon blossom, water lily, and musk. So it's a light floral with a little bit of warmth from the musk in there. So that's a nice scent there. Let's see, next up we have, we'll go to Something Amazing. And Something Amazing is emboldened, vivacious, and inspiring, the perfect balance of confidence and intuition. And they all have such cute packages. They've got these beautiful pictures, so they make a nice addition to your counter or vanity. Little something pleasant to look at as well as something pleasant to smell. And the Something Amazing has a combination of pomelo, honeysuckle, and blonde cedar. So it's another kind of light fruity floral scent there. Let's see, next up we have our Work Your Magic, and that's got a beautiful kind of night sky picture on the bottle there. And this one's story is mysterious and intriguing and oh so enchanting. Who needs a secret potion? And Magic has notes, or Work Your Magic, not just magic, has notes of apple blossom, lotus blossom, and golden honey. So it's a nice, again, kind of fruity floral scent there. And yeah, and I tell you, I had a hard time. I couldn't decide which one, so I had to get all 4 of them. And last up is Cloud 9. And this is total bliss, feeling elated and floating on air. Don't let this moment ever end. I really can read, I promise. And Cloud 9 has notes of bergamot, peony, and whipped vanilla. So very, very nice combination there also. And we do have some other fun scents this campaign coming up later too, in a little bit different format. Speaking of scents, we have some of our classic favorite signature scents in a new style of purse size. So I did pick up one of those to show the new kind of sleek look for those. Pop the top and give it a little spritz. And we have that in the Haiku and the Haiku Kyoto Flower, the original Faraway, Imari, Rare Pearls, and Rare Gold. So we have all of those available in the new purse spray. Let's see. Then we have a lot of fun kind of Valentine's Day stuff coming out with some adorable packaging. So first up, we have our Queen of Hearts lipstick. Comes in 3 shades. We have the, let's see, make sure I give you these in the right order. The Berry Romantic here with the pink base, with the darker pink base. The Red Hot in the lighter pink base. And Plum Kisses down here in the kind of peachy orange base. And I have the, let's see, which one did we get? We got the Berry Romantic, and it has this beautiful picture on the tube a couple of little lovebirds. And each of them has a different picture on the tube. The, let's see, what color was that again? That was the Red Hot, has love on the tube. And then you get kind of the conversational candy hearts on the plum. And to just add to the little fun, because the tube is not cute enough, we also have the lipstick itself is heart-shaped. So, and then this is the berry romantic shade. Very nice berry red. Would be a great color for just about anybody. So that's the our limited edition Queen of Hearts lipstick. And to kind of go with that, we have a few other fun things in fun like Valentine packaging. But we also have those two lovebirds on our Heartbreaker eyeshadow palette. And it's called a Heartbreaker palette because we have the heart and it comes apart. It's actually two different eyeshadow palettes with the little lovebirds on there. It's magnetic in the middle, so it goes together. So the right side has two shades of pink and like a champagne or a pale cream shade for the eyeshadow. And then the left side has three shades in like brown, shimmery brown colors. So these are great. You can kind of mix these colors up and create your own custom shade or wear them each individually. And again, just a really fun little, package, little palette to have on your vanity. So you get like a little smile from the palette every morning when you go to put that on. Let's see. Oh, and then there's the cute little, this one has got the hands and the heart, and then you've got the cute little lip palettes in the lip gloss. And I'm actually going to skip one and I'll come back to that. And then we have our candy lip gloss. Two different little candy bonbon lip glosses, two different, wrong side, there you go. Two different color sets. And I picked up, let's see, what are we calling that one? The Shine set. And this is great because it's a clear shimmery lip gloss. Got kind of your brown shade on one side and your pink shade on the other. These would actually be really great to kind of change up your favorite lipstick, or if you've got a lipstick that maybe the color is not exactly what you were looking for, you can actually warm up the shade a little bit with the brown lip gloss, or you can make the shade a little cooler with the pink lip gloss. The pots are big enough that you can use your fingertip to apply. I would recommend, though, if you have nails, long nails at all, that you might want to also carry a lip brush to use with them, because the lip brush will probably help keep the lip gloss out from under your nails. But how cute is that? You got your little candy bonbon with your lip gloss in it. Let's see. Then we have, I mentioned we had some other fragrances in a different format. So we have our Smitten with Roses signature fragrance collection for this season. These are always limited edition. Definitely recommend if you see one that you think you're going to like the scent, definitely get that as early as possible so that you make sure you don't miss out on your favorite shade. And we have our Smitten with Roses and our Blushing Petals collection. So our Smitten with Roses, which is a green floral with a bergamot note in it, is, and they do come in these great body creams. It's a thick, rich body cream in the tube, so easy to handle, easy to carry. We also have it in hand cream, body mist, and shower gel, and that's a nice big bottle of shower gel there. So, but I really love the body creams in these collections. They've got some shea butter in them, and they are nice, thick, moisturizing body creams. And then our Blushing Petals, again, with just absolutely, I am loving the packaging on these for this holiday season, for the Valentine Day season. And our Blushing Petals has got a combination of jasmine, rose, and lily of the valley, along with cherries and a vanilla cream scent. So it's a little sweet, a little floral, kind of balances both of those out. And still got a few things for you. I really, I had a hard time narrowing down my demos this campaign. We had so many great things coming out. Let's see, next up, I think we'll do the jewelry. We have our Dazzling Heart collection. And definitely Valentine's Day, if you are a lover of red, if you have a lot of red in your wardrobe, you like to have that nice bright pop of color, Valentine's Day is definitely the time for you to look at getting some new jewelry, because we have a lot of great pops of red in the jewelry. And this is the necklace from the Dazzling Heart collection. And it's got the beautiful kind of halo around the heart in the CZs with the nice bright red stone. And it's the silver chain there. And of course, as with all of our necklaces, you've got the 3-inch extender, so you can have that at whatever length works best for you. There's also the coordinating earrings, bracelet, and ring in that collection. And then we also have the watch that coordinates with that collection. Let's see, we have some other jewelry. We have our fun gold hearts, and we've got some fun like little stud earring sets with the different hearts and X's and O's. I think the little X's and O's are adorable. Some fun turn on your classic hoop earring is a nice heart-shaped hoop, and then a classic on your best friends type necklace there. And I did pick up the stacking hearts ring set. So you've got three different rings there. You have the plain gold tone hearts there. You've got the gold tone hearts with the red stone in the middle. And they're all infinity bands, so it goes all the way around. And then you have the gold tone with the red enamel hearts. And those all stack very nicely. I actually found I kind of like to stack them if you like your stacked rings to kind of be interlocking. I like to put one of them with the hearts going the opposite, the one in the middle, have the hearts going in the opposite direction of the others, and then it kind of locks them in place a little bit. So fun little stacking rings for Valentine's Day. Again, if you just want to add a little pop of red to your jewelry wardrobe. And then this set also has a nice fun watch that goes with it too, with the nice bright red heart. And in our fine jewelry, in our sterling silver jewelry, we have 3 new rings in that set. And I picked up the halo ring, and it's actually the CZ halo ring set. It's 2 rings, so you could use it as an engagement set if you want it. Has the 2 separate rings, so you have the band with the CZs in the band, and this one is not an infinity band, so it is just the sterling silver on the back side, and then the CZs on the halo ring, it goes down the side, and then they're in a little halo around the center stone on that kind of square cut. Oh, and then there's how the setting is raised up off the band there. So that's a beautiful set in our fine jewelry and our sterling silver. And then we also have the other 2 are a more classic set with the large stone in the middle and the 2 smaller stones on the outside, and then something a little fun with the crossing bands there. So. And last but never least is our ABox for this campaign, for campaign 3. So with any $40 purchase in campaign 3, you can get this ABox for only $10. Again, you've got the beautiful lovebirds theme on there with the beautiful flowers, and I just really love the artwork on these. And this is the Garden of Delights ABox, where you've got 2 full-size makeup essentials. You have the perfectly matte lipstick in Red Supreme, and the True Color Glimmer Sticks lip liner in True Red. We have the fun little heart mirrored compact, and one of our newest fragrances, our Velvet in a purse size spray. So that would be the same as like this size in the purse spray. So again, that's only $10 with any $40 purchase from Campaign 3. Campaign 3 is going to be up on the online store, youravon.com/CArnold. And that's going to be up from January 8th through 21st. So that's when all of these deals will be up on the online store. And I hope you're all having a wonderful, wonderful day. And I will see you again in a couple of weeks.